Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside Guide. My name is Eric, and welcome back. In today's video, I've got my 2023 Sea-Doo GTX 230 right here, and I'm going to show you all of the modifications and upgrades that I have done to my Sea-Doo since day one. Now, obviously, it's been a couple years, so I have done a lot of modifications and changes, so I'm going to share those with you in this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite upgrades, modifications that I've done to my Sea-Doo, as well as 1 bonus feature that is actually underneath these seats and in the engine. I'm going to show you that one as well. That one's pretty cool, so I'll save that for the end. So make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video. Let's get started. Oh, and by the way, there was one upgrade that doesn't have anything to do with the Sea-Doo, but it kind of does. Do you see it? It's in the video. If you know what the brand new upgrade is, you gotta tell me. Make sure you look, and look hard for it. All right, guys, what better place than to start right here at the bow of the ski. All right, so this isn't a modification that's really changed the look of the ski, but this is something that's attached to the ski. So here it is. It is the winch strap right here. So this upgrade on the winch strap has actually been amazing. It is a Waves RX winch strap. It is 100% stainless steel, so if you are in your off-riding season right now and you need to make a small change on your winch strap, I definitely recommend the Waves RX winch strap. So I'll leave a link in the description box down below so you can see the installation of the new Waves RX winch strap. Let's move on. So I gotta say right here, my bow, the bumper, I have replaced it just because after docking and mooring so many times, this thing just got beat up. So I actually changed this front bumper out, and obviously it's brand new. There's no more marks or scuffs or scrapes in it. Again, this is something that you can simply do. Just got a couple of bolts in there. You take the bolts out, put this new piece on, and you are done. I will leave a link in the description box down below as well, so you can kind of see what I did to get that fixed. So again, if you are off season right now, some of these things that I'm showing you are super easy fixes. You can walk around your skis, see if you need to replace or add some things. So let's get to the next one. All right, so here is the next modification that I've done, and I've got to say this is one of my favorites. It's not my top 3, but it is pretty darn cool. These moldings right here, if you're familiar with the GTX 230, the 2022-2023 model, these were orange, and pretty much the ski itself was the Orange Crush and Elliptical Black, I think it is. These were orange, and I've changed them out to black. And if you've been watching any of my videos, you've probably noticed that, yep, I did start out with the orange and black color on the Sea-Doo, and as you can see, it's completely stealthed out. But getting back to these moldings here, these are super simple to take out and reinstall. This hood piece, whatever you want to call it, hood scoop, comes right off. It's super simple. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box down below so you can see that quick video that I did on those moldings. Super easy, super quick. So let's get on to the next one, which is actually right above it. And as you can see right here, all of my decals used to be orange and they are now blackened out. So I've taken off all the orange and either made them black or gray. So right here at the waterline, obviously I've taken out the old orange decal and put in the black one. I just borrowed it from another Sea-Doo that had these colors and took off the old and put on the new. So super easy thing to do, especially again, when you are not riding your Sea-Doo. Some of the things and upgrades that you can do on your own, they're super simple. So right here at the back of the ski, I've got the GTX. That used to be orange and now just made it black. So nice good contrast to the ski. So again, the orange decal that was up here, took that off and made it a light gray. And looks like, this one is starting to peel off, so need to renew that one. Even the 230 decal once was orange and made that one gray. So again, has a nice good contrast to the ski. Okay, another cool modification that I have done is I've put these footrests right where the gunnels are on my Sea-Doo, and I gotta say, what a difference it makes when getting in and out of the Sea-Doo. And of course, the aesthetics, it just looks really good. It gives it that nice, bold, strong look to it, you know? So I absolutely love these footrests that I installed. All right, so I will leave a link in the description box down below for the video that I did on how to do a step-by-step installation for these footrests. What an amazing modification to the Sea-Doo that has made. Absolutely love it. Oh, and have you figured out what's also new in this video? It's in this shot right here. Have you seen it? Do you know what it is? It's brand new. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen it. All right, guys, so let's talk about the RIVA Racing sponsons. A huge modification, huge upgrade to my Sea-Doo. As you guys know, I'm an ocean rider, so it is the utmost importance that I have more control over my ski. And even on flat water, these sponsons are great. So super easy installation as well. Also, I'll put a link in the description down below so you can see how we installed these step by step. By the way, if you have not yet seen the side-by-side comparison that I did with the RIVA Racing sponsons versus the Sea-Doo stock sponsons, what a video that was. We did a side-by-side, my friend PJ and I, just to see what the differences are when you are in the water, how the Sea-Doo is moving, how it feels when you're riding on the water, in choppy water, etc., how it turns. Oh my goodness, we did a detailed video on that side by side. I believe first of its kind as well. It has a lot of drone footage in there. You got to check that video out. As always, I'll put that video in the link down below so you can watch that amazing side by side comparison. So right down to the tiniest little thing I put right here in the front is my RAM mount that I can attach my handheld Garmin that I purchased. So again, look for the video link in the comment section down below. You'll be able to watch that one too. All right, guys, quick bonus feature here. My LCD screen broke. I had no clue how to fix it, so I fixed it. Stay tuned for that. Okay, number next. Here we are at the seat cover. So if you recall, the Sea-Doo GTX 230 2022-23 model had those, I don't know, would you say orange or gold tinted seats? Well, actually had to get rid of those and I went black. So these are my new seat covers from, yes, you guessed it, RIVA Racing, and let me give you a quick close-up of those. These are really comfortable, and when you're sitting on these seats here, I'll show you an up close here, they have a nice good grip to them, so you're not sliding all over the place when you're out in the water. I feel like I'm really just locked in there and super comfortable when I'm sitting on my new seats. Well, they're not new seats. It's the seat cover that made the huge impact and a huge modification. You can see right here on the seat, this just has a nice good grip to it, and like I said, no sliding even around the back end here, no sliding at all whatsoever. It's got some nice good stitching on here as well too. So hopefully by the video you could tell that these seats don't get hot because it's not straight up vinyl like it is right here. You'll definitely burn your booty if you're sitting on straight up vinyl like the former seats on the Sea-Doo. But with the texture on here, it's super comfortable, and I ain't gonna burn my booty. Seat cover installation step by step in the description box. Could the seat covers be one of my 3 favorites? Stay tuned. All right, guys, so number next. This is one of my first modifications that I made just because I was bumping into the dock all the time and I didn't know how to park my Sea-Doo. So I got these right here, these Sea-Doo fenders, and I made an install on these. And I gotta say, if I can do it, you can do it. Super easy to do. And of course, once orange, now black. Step by step how to. Where's the link? In the description box. I know, guys, don't tell me. Some of you hate these darn things that you maybe got for your Sea-Doo on the first time that you installed some dock bumpers, but these have been the only ones that I've had. I did have the original Sea-Doo orange ones, and yeah, a couple of them broke, but you know, it is what it is. But then I came across these, and these have been great, so I actually love these. These are my only dock bumpers that I actually use, so easy install and good upgrade. I just put them right inside my storage box there, and it's a super easy fit, and they're super small. Guys, have you figured out the newest thing yet? Have you seen it yet? Do you know what it is? Comment below. You gotta let me know if you've seen the newest and greatest thing for my Sea-Doo. All right, so next up, did you see it? I took off the handlebar grips, the old stock Sea-Doo, and put on some new handlebar grips from RIVA Racing. And I gotta say, it's such a firm, good, strong grip. No slippage here with these handlebar grips, and I gotta say they are very, very comfortable, especially on long range rides like I always do, going across the Pacific Ocean back and forth all the time. This could be one of my favorites, but we're getting to it soon, so hang tight. And one that I haven't shown you yet, and it's inside the ski. Hang tight. Do any of you guys have this on your ski? These are the brake and throttle controls. Yes, from Riva Racing. They're constructed from billet aluminum and they're anodized to prevent corrosion. They are so comfortable. They've got those finger grips. If you saw that close-up shot on there, they have the finger grips in there and the control on those, but also a little bit more response control with these right here. But I'll show you a step-by-step video that I did on how to install those, and do you know where the link is? It's in the description box, so you got to watch that, and it adds a good sporty look to it as well too. All right, so yet another cool modification or add-on to the back deck is the washer upgrade kit. Now this upgrade kit is from, well, you know, Riva Racing, and they are stainless steel metal, and so it really protects your back deck from, you know, unscrewing those bolts all the time, putting them back on all the time. So nice, good protection upgrade for your back deck. Now I gotta say, they only come in this stainless steel color. Now, stay tuned for another video that I'm gonna be putting out. I'm gonna be taking these off and putting on a new upgrade kit, but this upgrade washer kit now comes in many, many colors. So if you have a Sea-Doo that you just want to contrast colors with, if you have a black ski and you want dark gray or vice versa, or maybe you might have a ski that is yellow, you can get a yellow washer upgrade kit, bright green, whatever, lots of colors. So I'll show you in an up and coming video where to get this back deck washer upgrade kit, and I'll show you how to install it. Actually, it's kind of simple, right? So anyway, link in the description for this as well. All right guys, quick sneak peek. Remember I told you there's one modification that I did to the engine. It's in there. I'm gonna show you. Hang tight. All right guys, remember when I showed you the screen and how I said it broke? So I gotta say, it's not an upgrade or a modification that I did, but a video I made on how to fix this thing when it pops out. And it popped out on me when I was riding to Catalina Island. I'm like freaking out. My screen came out. Had no clue how to fix it, but I fixed it. So many people saying thank you just because I didn't know what to do or how to fix the screen that popped out. So anyway, you know where the link is, right? All right, everyone, so those are all my modifications except for what's under those seats right there. So I'm gonna give you my 3 favorite modifications right now before I show you what's under the seat and what I've done to the engine. So my top 3. In third place is, and man, it's a tough choice, but I gotta say, in third place is, there's a tie for third place. There's gotta be, I just can't come up with one third place. So I'm gonna have to say it is the handlebar grips and the brake and throttle controls from Riva Racing. They just change the experience up when you're riding and how you're controlling the ski, and the comfortability that you have with those grips and the lever controls. Those are just really good. So that is in third place. So let's check out second place. And second place is the Riva Racing Sponssons. Yep, I didn't pick them for first place, but I gotta say, the Riva Racing Sponssons totally help with great control in the ocean, even on flat water, how the ski handles, how it turns, and everything. Are you guys ready for my first place pick? Here we go. Here it is. It's the entire ski from orange to black. Could you figure that one out? It's my absolute favorite. I love the new color, from orange to black to stealth. But I gotta say, part of that first place winner is gonna be those seat covers too. Absolutely love those seat covers, makes a huge difference. Well, those are my top 3 favorites on all my modifications and changes that I've done in my Sea-Doo. Are you guys ready to see inside the engine bay to see what I've modified in there? Here we go. All right, there it is. It is the oil catch can. So when I first purchased my Sea-Doo, I was putting videos out there and someone had chimed in and said, hey, you need to get an oil catch can because you have a supercharged engine. And I was like, okay. So I did some research on it and I came across the Watercraft journal by Kevin Shaw, and he has an awesome video on what the oil catch can does for the supercharged engine. So anyway, I got one and I looked it up and I found one through, yeah, Riva Racing, and so I installed that one. I don't have a video for that one. So just check it out. Make sure you look at the link below for the Kevin Shaw Watercraft journal link, and so that'll give you a great explanation on what the oil catch can do for your supercharged engine. Oh my goodness, guys, I almost forgot. There's one more thing that I installed underneath the back deck here. I'm not gonna take it off, I'm not gonna show you right now, but it is the depth finder. I went to the Sea-Doo website and I got the depth finder for my GTX 230. It has been an amazing tool ever since I installed it. So once again, you'll find a link in the description box down below how to install the depth finder step by step. All right, everyone, so just before I close it out, have you found the new thing that has been in and out of this video? Do you know what it is? You gotta let me know. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So if you got it right, I'll be sure to let you know that you got the right answer. If you guys have any questions at all on any of these modifications or add-ons that I did to my Sea-Doo, just put your questions in the comment section down below and I will be sure to get back to you ASAP. I hope this video is helpful and maybe gives you a few ideas of some things that you can do to modify or add on to your jet ski while it's just kind of sitting there in storage. So if this video was helpful, you gotta let me know. And if so, share it to someone that might need a little bit of help in giving them some ideas on what they can do on their Sea-Doo. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much. Thank you for supporting the channel. And don't forget the most important thing. Do you know what it is? Make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, guys, I will see you on the water.